everyone, welcome back to Love of Birds. Today I'm gonna do the intro for my bird Easter, my new bird, brand new bird. I got him December 22nd, 2020. He's not quite tame yet, but he is an awesome bird. So let me introduce you. So this is Easter. So the reason I named him Easter, well, it was around Christmas time, and well, you guys probably know the Christmas story. And when the wise men followed the star, they followed the East Star, and yeah, it's kind of Christmassy, so I'm like, Easter, Easter, Easter. So that's why we named him Easter. And he also looks like an Easter egg. So that's the first thing that my mom said. We have the Easter eggs right here, and meet Easter right there. He's been an awesome bird. We've had him for almost 3 months now, and yeah, he's adorable. He's cute. He's fun. He loves Sunny. Sunny is like his best friend for life. Like, yeah, I can't say anything. Like literally, Sunny goes up to him. He's like, and he just goes crazy. So. Yeah, let's get on to the clips of E-Star. Okay, hello guys. Today we are getting a 4th bird. This is gonna be a big video. Alright, so we're here at Petland and we're checking out the budgies. We've been down to 4, but we have decided on 1 budgie now, and you're gonna get to see the process of the traumatization of buying a bird. So, if you haven't watched my Ramsey video, check it out. It's probably just like this one. And, well, we picked out this one little guy. He's adorable, and he's not very vocal. We think it's a male. We're not too sure yet, but
he's singing right now.
He's singing right now. He's the little bluish yellow-gray guy.
In the back here, yeah.
Back. And I thought he bonded with us as soon as he saw us because he's been looking up at me and he's been like chirping at me, sorta. And I think he loves us, so we decided. He called my dad, and he said, fine, but no more birds after this, so this will be our last getting bird video of my channel. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this.
And what's the occasion?
The occasion? It's December 22nd, and I thought they let me get an early Christmas present. Yeah.
So this little guy is affectionately known right now as
Easter, or Easter egg.
Well, because we thought he looked like Easter egg colors, so. But we're not sure what we're gonna name him.
Yeah, we're thinking Easter right now, but we're still not sure.
Let's see how it goes. What kind of budgie is he, Lucas?
Oh, he is a dominant. Oh, I didn't really recognize that. He's actually a rainbow. He is a rainbow, but he's mixed with a saddleback. With a saddleback budgie, because you can see he kind of has a V on his back. And on his wings, on his right wing, I think is really cool, is he has like on the top part, like the top close to his mid part, and he has like a blue stripe there, and then down from that blue spot you can see like a yellow dot, which I think is really cool. And then he's a golden face, and now he's very talkative. And yeah, he's a cute budgie, I think. He has a shorter tail, but you know, the babies have the short tails. Yeah, it always gets to grow, so yeah. Now we're gonna experience the traumatization of buying this Easter.
Okay, Mama. Okay. No. Yeah, Lucas? Hi. Hello, baby.
Buddy!
Just come here.
Hey, bird! Okay, watch out.
Come here. Where's your mom?
Have you ever had this?
Where's your mom?
Oh no!
It's okay.
This is crazy!
Hey, go help her. Go.
Put it down. So I can see.
Oh, come on, little guy.
Marcus, no, don't face, please. I love this here.
You got him. Okay. Marcus, you just got to witness this.
Oh, where's the box?
The box.
Sorry. Where is it? I don't know. Where is it?
The box. Hey, she's gonna get the box.
Okay, so today is December 22nd, 2020, and today is very exciting because we got a new birdie, and right now we are transferring him into
Actually, hang on. We gotta pull the curtain back.
the new cage right now. Oh, and that part.
We'll open the door.
Sure.
That one, just one sec.
There we go.
Okay, so now
You're doing the
you get to
important
do this part.
Doing the
And
honors.
you see, we called this little guy Easter just because he looks like an Easter egg. So, wait, no. It's open this way. We open this way. Like
Don't let him fly out because he probably hasn't been clipped.
Yeah, he's clipped. He's clipped. He can't fly.
okay.
Okay, little one. I got him. He's good. Hello. Hey, Mom. Leave it. It's okay.
Just give me a sec.
Walk up.
There we go. There you go.
Come on. Come on.
Oh.
Good boy. Hello. Guys, we got a friend. He's like, no.
Let's put him over here.
You replaced us.
Oh, look at them all.
Hi, guy. You got a friend. Who's that, guys? This is so exciting.
They're just going. You just like that Christmas. How are you doing?
Hello.
It's black and blue and red.
Well,
Yeah, it's more like a gray blue, and then with.
It's different than ice.
Hello.
Have you gone on your head yet?
No.
Gotta find a good name for him.
right now we're calling him Easter. He looks like an
Call him Christmas.
No.
Could be Christmas. Then we can call him Chris.
Christmas.
Okay.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, buddy.
Yeah.
We're having.
So those were our East clips. I'm very happy that I got to do this video because, as you heard in the video, this is the last getting a Budgie video. So if you guys want to see more, tell me in the comments. But Maybe the only problem is my mom and dad won't let me get another bird because I have like 4 and yeah. So please consider subscribing. Like this video if you liked it. Easter's over there. He'll say bye later. So thank you guys for watching and catch you guys on the next one. Bye.